Right now, North Macedonia facing a second dividend. It's called second demographic dividend. So people live longer life, and they can contribute longer to the labor market, to the economic development of the country. So the proposals of 67, I don't know if it will work well. However, what I would say that investing in people older 60 years old, 60 plus, will definitely bring economic dividend from that. Because if older population, if 60, I shouldn't say older, I'm already at that, almost at that age. So 60 plus population, if they're healthier, so if they have active life position, if they want to continue working, maybe not, they start second career, for example, they can start a small business by choice.
Yes.
Exactly.
This is not by choice.
Exactly. So the most important is to make it optional. So if we continue, because right now I'm not sure if even health-wise, people at 67 currently today in North Macedonia will be able health-wise continue working the same way as they did in their early age. So that's why I'm saying that it should be, this issue should be comprehensively assessed, and definitely given 60 plus population opportunity to be active, to be healthy, and to be able to work if they wish, if they choose so. That's a good idea. Given incentives for older population to start their businesses, why not? This is some of the countries, they do that.